As the plant is being stormed by delivery trucks and haulers, Tesla Giga Shanghai is resuming high-speed production and preparing to ship cars to customers. According to a new video from drone operator who has been following Giga Shanghai's progress for several years, Tesla is resuming production at full speed following line upgrades and optimizations. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we will see everything you need to know about the production resume updates at Giga Shanghai. Rumors of Giga Shanghai production halts circulated late last year, catching many off guard with Tesla's usual end-of-year production and delivery pushes. The automaker explained the stoppages, stating that it was performing annual production line maintenance. Workers were able to take a break while this maintenance was carried out. Tesla appears to be ramping up manufacturing and production in order to resume normal levels before the Chinese New Year, which is set to take place from January 20th to January 31st. According to reports, Giga Shanghai will be operational from January the 3rd to January the 19th. These dates have not been confirmed by Tesla. According to the new video of Wu Hua, Tesla intends to make the most of the operational days in January, while the plant is humming with activity as workers build Model 3 and Model Y all-electric vehicles. What stood out was the number of vehicle haulers stationed outside the factory, waiting for completed vehicles to be loaded and driven to their destination. Wu Hua, a drone operator at the Giga Shanghai plant since 2019, made the following observations about the number of haulers on the factory's campus. "I was impressed by the line of haulers waiting to get into the factory outside and the neatly arranged haulers in the factory parking area. I counted 45 haulers parked on site, the most I've seen so far. And it was clear that Tesla has stepped up the logistics pace." Giga Shanghai reached a number of milestones last year, with the facility on track to produce its millionth vehicle in August of 2022. Tesla China reached 1 million vehicles in less than 3 years, which is a huge accomplishment when compared to the company's Fremont factory in California. Tesla China's efficiency has allowed it to produce a Model Y body in white every 40 seconds. In August of 2022, Tesla Shanghai Gigafactory produced its 1 millionth vehicle. From the delivery of the first Chinese-made prototype to the achievement of this milestone, which became a spectacular record in the history of the automotive industry, it took less than 3 years. The ultra-high production efficiency allows Tesla Shanghai Gigafactory to produce a Model Y body in white in about 40 seconds on average, according to the source. Gigafactory Shanghai has a localization rate of more than 95%, allowing the factory to build an ecosystem for new energy automotive components, such as batteries, automotive chips, autonomous driving systems, and automotive interiors. This eventually assists the facility in achieving safety, independence, and controllability in its industrial ecosystem. It should also be noted that Tesla's manufacture at Giga Shanghai are popular internationally, owing to the facility's status as Tesla's primary vehicle export hub. Giga Shanghai does not only sell Tesla cars to Chinese customers. For several years, the company has routinely used the plant as an output hub, supplying Model 3 units to the European market, among others. Despite strong Q4 results for Tesla Giga Shanghai, the automaker saw a drop in wholesale units in December. Tesla China only sold 55,796 vehicles to domestic and international customers, a 44% decrease from November of 2022. While Tesla China's December results were arguably disappointing, they still contributed to the electric vehicle makers' overall fourth quarter figures. Q4 2022 was a new quarterly record for the electric vehicle makers' China operations, thanks in large part to Tesla China's record-breaking November results. According to Tesla China's December results, the company sold 227,791 Shanghai-made vehicles in Q4 of 2022, representing a year-over-year increase of more than 27% and a quarter-over-quarter improvement of more than 20%. By the way, if you are watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Now coming back to the topic, Tesla Giga Shanghai accounted for more than half of the automaker's global sales in 2022. Tesla Giga Shanghai rose to prominence as the company's largest contributor to production and sales in 2021, accounting for 51.7% of the automaker's output that year. With the CPCA releasing Tesla's relatively low-key sales figures in China in December, we now have a better understanding of how important the factory is to the automaker's global prowess. Tesla sold 655,069 cars at Giga Shanghai between January and November. These vehicles were shipped to both domestic and international customers, as the factory has served as a Tesla export hub since mid-2021. Tesla was waiting for Giga Berlin to begin production, while European customers awaited Model 3 and Model Y units, so the automaker used Giga Shanghai's manufacturing expertise to fill orders there. The CPCA finally released the figures for December this morning, giving us a final figure for what Giga Shanghai contributed to Tesla's overall sales in 2022. Giga Shanghai sold 710,865 vehicles in 2022, accounting for 54.1% of Tesla's global sales for the year, after selling 55,796 cars in December. Tesla announced last week that it sold 1,313,851 vehicles last year, capping off its most successful quarter in company history and marking the company's first million-unit year. It was a year filled with surprises, such as production halts, line upgrades, and no plans to expand the automaker's product roadmap. However, one constant for Tesla, and really any business hoping to make a profit, is growth. In terms of overall sales, Tesla still increased by 29% year-on-year. Giga Shanghai has been Tesla's secret weapon since it began production in late 2019. According to reports, Giga Shanghai's former CEO, Tom Xu, has recently been tasked with running Tesla's US production plants, which are running like a well-oiled machine. Xu's promotion has yet to be announced officially by Tesla. However, the tireless efforts of Xu to improve operations in Shanghai may result in improved manufacturing techniques in the US. Tesla China appears to have sold 710,865 Giga Shanghai-made vehicles in 2022, a massive 50.26% increase from the 473,078 vehicles sold in 2021. This suggests that despite a difficult December for Tesla China, the electric vehicle maker's overall momentum in the country remains notable. Tesla China stated to the Global Times on December 25th that reports of the facility's production halt are not entirely accurate. Tesla China stated that the vehicle production line at Giga Shanghai would be undergoing annual maintenance. The workshops at the facility that make charging piles would not be affected. In 2022, the Shanghai plant will continue to produce efficiently and with high output. Vehicle production will proceed as scheduled for annual production line maintenance. At the same time, after a year of hard work, the workers took a break during the production line's maintenance period. The charging piles in other workshops have not stopped, and the media's assertion that the factory has ceased production is not entirely correct, Tesla China stated. While Tesla China's explanation is appreciated, it is not difficult to argue that the EV maker could have handled its communications more effectively this time. Tesla will be hoping for another strong year from Giga Shanghai, which will be viewed as a supplement to sales in Europe. In 2022, the automaker's Chinese plant faced increased competition, and with China boss Tom Xu receiving a higher role within Europe and the US, it will be an exciting year for the automaker's Chinese plant. And with that being said, it is time to end our video. Before that, we would like to know, what expectations do you have from Giga Shanghai? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.